So a man finds a toddler walking in the streets. Luckily, he got her out of the streets, but he doesn't know where her parents are.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello? Hi.
It's a little girl out here. She just crossed the street. I was trying to see, did you know who child this was?
Oh, no, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe the neighbors. No, that's not the
Okay.
neighbor's child. I don't know. I don't know whose child that is. That's not the neighbor.
I just seen her walking across the street. She crosses the street. I don't want nothing to happen to her.
Well, she's not the neighbor's child. I don't know who she is. Maybe take her to the gas station. Maybe across the street.
Take her to the gas station. Luckily, this guy found her.
Oh my fucking God.
The report says that it was some grandparents that was watching the kid, and they took an eye off her and she got away. She was reunited with her grandparents later on, thanks to this guy. Yeah, gotta keep an eye on those toddlers. Looks like a pretty busy street. If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.